It's Jay, and I'm in Groton today. There's no heat because we turned off the heat, uh, nor do I want to use the space heaters that are currently available, so I'm warming up by the fire. But that's not my issue. My issue is dinner. Mom left and ditched me for dinner and said, hey, make burgers on the grill. So I go out to use the grill in the freezing cold, about 32 degrees outside, and there's no propane. Nor do I know how to use the gas grill or the gas stove that is in the house. So this is what I've come up with. This right here is the grill, like the top of the grill where you put the food on. And I've taken it out of the grill and actually held it up by 4 logs that are inside here. So I'm gonna cook my burgers or grill my burgers on this. They're gonna be the best burgers I've had today. Oh, and did I mention these burgers are fresh out of the freezer, not even thawed. But just so you know I'm not half-assing it, I have a spatula. I upgraded from a fork just for this. See, the number one thing to grilling burgers is a tip that you should carry for the rest of your life. Just wing it. It's so hard to tell if they're actually cooked or not because they're facing down and the only light is coming from the bottom. So I actually can't even see the top of the burger to see if it's cooked. Tech tip number 2. In order to eat burgers, you don't even need a hamburger bun. See, now that is the best burger I've had today. It's a masterpiece. I should be on like one of those top griller shows. I may not win, but someone may think I'll have talent. See, if you do this, your parents can't get mad at you for not eating dinner. Well, that's a wrap. And you should try it yourself. Get the full experience. Until then, I'm just gonna wait until the fire dies down so that I could then take the grill back out, you know. Woo! Only it was actual Coca-Cola. be so much better.